Hi kids, today we are going to learn about birds' names. So let's start to learn about birds' names.
Bat. This is a bat. B for bat. Cock. This is a cock. C for cock. Nightingale. This is a nightingale. N for nightingale. Owl. This is an owl. O for owl. Queen. This is a queen. C for queen. Swan. This is a swan. S for swan. Crow. This is a crow. C for crow. Eagle. This is an eagle. E for eagle. Sparrow. This is a sparrow. S for sparrow. Peacock. This is a peacock. P for peacock. Peacock is the national bird of India. Kingfisher. This is a kingfisher. K for kingfisher. Duck. This is a duck. D for duck. Pigeon. This is a pigeon. P for pigeon. Hen. This is a hen. H for hen. Ostrich. This is an ostrich. O for ostrich.
If you like my video, then please do it, like, share and subscribe.